what artists should look for in a gallery? This is a question I get sometimes, and there's a lot of content online that's the flip of that, which is what galleries look for in artists. So I thought it'd be helpful for maybe some young artists starting out or something, of just some tips and experience that I've had of what I think artists should look for in a gallery. All right, is the gallery a good fit? And what do I mean by that? Well, what are you looking for specifically? Really dial that in. Like, are you looking for more of a community, like a gallery that has a small roster of 20 artists where you're going to get more attention? Or is it a gallery of 100 artists, more like business transactional? Are there already 5 landscape painters just like you in this gallery? What do you both bring to the table? And reach out to the roster, and that's going to really help you weed out and give you assurance of what the culture is like there. This happens to me all the time, and I'm always glad to answer and be honest about relationships with a gallery that I have currently or that I've had a past relationship with. This helps you really weed out some galleries, because we've all had nightmare experiences. Some of the questions you can ask just have to do with, how are the show openings? How long have you been with the gallery? Like, figuring out if there's a quick turnaround of artists there, if there's a lot of drama going on, if they pay on time, a lot of those kind of questions as well. And it's just gonna give you an overall view of their experience there, and again, give you the assurance of whether or not to move forward with pursuing the gallery or responding if a gallery's reached out to you. So overall, yeah, you're just trying to get an idea of what the culture's like there, because who and what you surround yourself with in this business, it matters. And also, don't forget to be honest with yourself with where you are at in your career, because it doesn't make sense to be reaching out to certain galleries when you just started out. Give yourself time, be patient, and really dial in what it exactly is that you're looking for and where you want to be headed. So next for me is, I typically am just sort of analyzing the deal. And again, like, if you're just starting out, sometimes you just have nothing to lose. You're just trying to get your work out there. I get it. Just things to keep in mind. A lot of galleries, they're going to want, the standard is typically 50%. A lot of galleries now, which is nice, are giving artists up to 60% with collector referrals or commission work. Or you might find some more artist-run galleries that are giving artists higher percentage, but standard is 50%, and usually they'll want exclusivity in the town that they're in with your work. So with that being said, like, what is the gallery doing on their end for that to be worth it is something you need to be thinking about. Like, what location are they in? How much foot traffic do they get? What the city they're in popular? Do they have art crawls? Like, all that sort of thing. Are they actually moving paintings? And then importantly too is, like, their marketing and online presence. Do they have like 20 followers on social media and don't ever post anything interesting or cool? Sign up on their email list, see how frequent and what the quality is of the blasts that they're sending out for those shows and artists. These are all things that are very important, where galleries can pull their weight and get you in front of a lot of eyes.